Eat hard-boiled eggs daily. This is what happens to your body. Hard-boiled eggs make a quick snack if you are in a hurry or can be used to sneak protein into your salad at lunch. Including hard-boiled eggs in your diet adds good fats to your body to keep your heart healthy, and they also pack important vitamins to help protect your eyes and keep your bones strong. Here's why you should eat hard-boiled eggs daily. Please subscribe and watch this video until the end to know the complete information. Good fats. Hard-boiled eggs provide good fats called monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, or MUFAs and PUFAs. Replacing saturated and trans fats as much as possible with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat stabilizes your blood cholesterol levels and lowers your overall risk of heart disease. High protein. Hard-boiled eggs are naturally high in protein. You need protein to build muscle mass, but it also helps repair all tissues in your body and provides structure for cellular walls. Your diet should consist of 10% to 35% protein, or 50 to 175 grams for someone following a 2,000-calorie diet, according to the Dietary Guidelines for Americans 2010. One large hard-boiled egg provides more than 6 grams of protein. Eye health. One of the major vitamins in eggs is vitamin A. This vitamin is a component of a protein that absorbs light in your retinas, protects membranes around the cornea and lessens your risk of night blindness. Women need 700 micrograms of daily vitamin A and men require 900 micrograms, the Office of Dietary Supplements reports. Snacking on a large hard-boiled egg adds approximately 75 micrograms of vitamin A to your diet. Strong bones. Hard-boiled eggs provide vitamin D to keep your bones and teeth strong. Vitamin D promotes the absorption of calcium and regulates calcium levels in your blood. This process ensures that your skeleton gets the calcium it needs for strength and structure. You need 600 international units of vitamin D each day, reports the Office of Dietary Supplements. You get about 45 international units of vitamin D from one large hard-boiled egg. Caloric information. One large hard-boiled egg provides nearly 80 calories. About 60% of the calories come from fat. Eliminate nearly all of the fat, if you want to cut back on calories, by scooping out the egg yolk. By consuming only the lean protein from the egg white, you reduce your calorie intake by more than half.